particular data set from this website openml.org. So this is the ID for this particular data set. I'm going to take this and apply convolution neural network for this. I'm going to use CNN. So this data set has so these are all the target, whatever is available. So we'll have to find whether it is. So we're going to take some fashion assets like t-shirts, sandal, coat, shirts, sneaker, bag, everything. Okay. And we're going to train with, there are something somewhere around 70,000 images are there. So should we download something? Yeah. I'll tell you how to download step by step. So there are 70,000 images are there. So basically 10 classes we have. So the output will be this particular thing. Okay, so all those images, whatever you're going to train, will be this. Okay, so this is the output which we have to get. Okay, out of that 70,000 images. So 56,000 images will be training. Another 14,000 I will keep it for the testing purpose. This is what I'm going to do. So for the grayscale, I've used 28 cross 28. So this is the target values which we are going to get, and so this pixel is again 28 cross 28 we have taken. So we are going to train with different features, and we're going to predict this. So let's see how to do this step by step. Okay. So first you have to install the library which is OpenML. Okay, so you'll have to install this pip install OpenML. Yeah, please use Jupyter. Yeah. No, just like I'm just putting all the classes also inside this. So I told you 10 classes there, right? All these things are included in particular class. It's 10 classes. So this 10 classes are nothing but I've taken all these things. These 10 I've taken. Okay, so you can add this. Class is equal to. So you do target. The target. Which one will you documenting a link for certain document. Yes, that's all okay. Illegal service of lunch. Follow capital P. Yes, it's a lot. Produce now. Like what is that? Then I complex it. OpenML ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we are downloading that in our undetermined string literal ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 1000 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಅಂತ 9 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ -1 ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ -1 ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, that's a great level. We are loading this data set from ML, right? OpenML. So we are using this particular method. And the pandas for performing for cleaning the data and for all those things. NumPy for reading all those images. This is for plotting it. Matplotlib we use it.
open in the properties, some better sir, what is the open? Let's open important fact from sorry.
Either ID, whatever ID is here, EID probability.
Yes, sir. It's not really.
Variable can be anything. Temporarily, you're going to store it in some memory for the evening attention. So we do. This is the ID, and this is where it's temporarily you're storing it in some memory for that day. Oh, that's very interesting.
What exactly is all pixels 0, 0, 0, 0?
Continuous.
And
Okay, so we have all these things here. Okay, we have data. So the target names you already know. Okay, so you can access all these things individually and you can check. Okay. So the category values frame. So if you're getting it in pixels and all those things, that is nothing but the images. So generally you have, I told you, 70,000 images are there. So that images we are going to pass it through all the hidden layers. So we have different hidden layers. So where we will be, passing those images to the layers. It will go through all the layers. Okay, so these are all the target feature, and these are all the features which we have. So we're going to use this in our application. So you can access individually. So if you give categories or keys, whatever it is, like you can access all those individually also. So what I want is like I want data here and target. So for X, I'm going to put this data as well as for Y, I want target. So target is nothing but as I already told you, the 10 classes. This data. Yeah, I want to print this description. What I'll do is say. Okay, so here you can see the description of this. Okay, so totally 60,000 samples. So this is what we are going description of this particular data set. Okay, so each image is of this particular grayscale. Okay, 28 cross 28. Okay, and this is the target classes which we have to give. Okay, so description will give all the details of this particular data set, whatever is it. Okay.
Target indexing കൊടുക്കണം target response prediction ನೀವು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಟ್ಟದು ಅದು ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್
So this is the pixel for all the 70,000 images, whatever you have now. So there are pixels.
ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು
Frame for it. So RGB pixel by pixel values ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು RGB values convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
7,000 posts.
Okay, 70,000 rows ಇದೆ. Some columns are there.
DSCR ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ DSCR ಅದು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೇವೆ
Okay, so this grayscale image 28 into 28 is 784. So we have
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ
frame
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
ಅದು 70,000 images ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಝೀರೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್
ಹೌದು ಸರ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದು
y dot shape initially okay it is 70,000 initially because see here now we are training with 70,000 now we know separate module okay so whatever value you give 70,000 images ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಅದೇ output ಅನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ತರ and then 784 is nothing but 28 into 28 that is 784 grayscale image 28 cross 28 784 okay shape y dot shape we are getting that because we have not separated anything training list on the ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ so whatever values you are giving that is coming as down so total 70,000 images
ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ 476 ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ 966 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಆರ್ತಿ ಪರಾಮರ್ಶ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಆರ್ತಿ ಪರಾಮರ್ಶ
so parameters ಇದು x axis ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ x axis ಮತ್ತೆ y axis ಈ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ನ X axis ಮತ್ತೆ Y axis ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
RC ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
RC params is the method of matplotlib.
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
1,5 X axis ಮತ್ತೆ Y axis.
ಲೆಂತ್
ಇದು images.
ಹೌದು ನೋಡಿ
This DPH is dots per inch. So ಒಂದೊಂದು image ಗೆ taken it as 100 dots per inch.
100 dots per inch.
The unique values now we are just storing it in this class indices. Indices is the variables. It's a variable. So unique values, y promoter, we are storing it in this particular variable class indices. Here now list convert. We are converting it to list. Store it again here. After converting it to list, I am sorting it. Because like I want all unique values from the y. Unique values are which shouldn't be repeated. So.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
Perché dobbiamo tutti